Hi friends, welcome to Avi's Academy. Here I'll be discussing some of the concepts of commerce, management and economics which you all be learning in your undergraduation and post-graduation level of education. In this video, I'll use an illustration to explain the value of supply in case of a mixed supply. So when a mixed supply is involved, how to determine the transaction value and then how to find out the GST payable. So I'll be explaining via an illustration. Let us have a look at the illustration. So illustration ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡುವ. A dealer in Karnataka supplies a machinery along with the accessories to a customer in Tamil Nadu. So first sentence ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಡೀಲರ್ ತಮಿಳುನಾಡಿನ ಕಸ್ಟಮರಿಗೆ ಮೆಷಿನರೀಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆಕ್ಸೆಸರೀಸನ್ನು ಅದರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸರೀಸನ್ನು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು ಇಂಟರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ತಮಿಳುನಾಡಿಗೆ ಮೆಷಿನರೀಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸರೀಸ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಆಗಿರುವ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಹೆನ್ಸ್ IGST ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ IGST. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡುವ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾ ಗಿವನ್ ಬಿಲೋ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ GST ಪೇಬಲ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ IGST ಆಸ್ ವಿ ಡಿಸೈಡೆಡ್. ಆ ನಂತರ ಮಿಷನರಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ GST rupees 11,20,000 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ so that we can calculate GST payable. So first ಗೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ. ಸೊ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಆನಂತರ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್, ವೈ ವಿ ಆರ್ using this format in our previous video. And if you want to know about the theoretical aspects, computational aspects and on the incidental charges which we are adding, I have provided the link of each of those videos in the description section. Please have a look at it. I'll proceed towards the calculation. So ee format ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. You have to do this format, particulars and one inner column and outer column where we are writing the amounts for transaction value. So this is our format. So we'll have a look at the question again. So after that ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಮೆಷಿನರಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ GST rupees 11,20,000. ಸೊ ಮೆಷಿನರಿಯ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 11,20,000. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ಸ್ GST. ಸೊ GST ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ವಿ ಜನರಲಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ GST. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ GST. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು GSTಯನ್ನು ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮೆಷಿನರಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂದ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ how much GST we have to deduct from this value so that we can arrive at excluding GST value. Okay, that's the first value that enters into our format. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು GST ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ನೋಡುವ GST ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ they said these are the items that are not included. So we have to see whether we have to include or not. We will look into the GST rate. Yeah, here they have given in the point C. GST rate on the machinery and accessories is 12 and 18% respectively. So what we want is of the machinery. So machinery GST rate is to 12%. So GST rate which is included in this value is 12%. So we have to exclude the value. So that we have to do that right now. So we will make that calculation in the note section, working note section. We will do that calculation now. So we will go towards the calculation. So what I do is I'll proceed towards working note. I'll write a working note here, working note. So where we are deciding, what we are deciding is price excluding GST. So we have been given the information where price includes GST, so we have to exclude that. So we will be doing that now. Okay, we will do that now. So what they have given the price, then they said that includes price. What it includes GST, and then what's the cost including GST? They have given including GST price. That's what they have given, right? So GST rate ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನಾವು identify ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. So that is equal to how much? It is 12%, right? So I'll take that as 12. So this is calculated on the price. So price will be equal to 100. 12% on the price. So price will be equal to 100. So therefore, the including price what they have given, GST included price what they have given, that will be equal to 112. Okay. So what we need is, what is the amount of GST that we have to find out. This is in terms of percentage. If price is 100, GST will be 12, and the included GST price will be 112. So that we have to calculate now. So 112 ka information in terms of rupees they have given. We have to find out what is 12. So we can go for cross multiplication. Okay. So what I do is 112 in terms of rupees, it is how much? It is rupees 11,20,000. Okay. The price is including GST, it is rupees 11,20,000. So that's what they have given, 11,20,000. What we need is GST. So that is in terms of percentages 12, right? So that we are writing. Now if you do cross multiplication, so that will be equal to, so you can say 11,20,000 into 12 divided by how much? 112. So this will give you the GST value. Let us compute the GST value. I'll use my calculator. So we have to calculate the GST value. So it is 11,20,000 into 11,20,000 into 12 divided by how much? 112. So that will be equal to 1,20,000. So GST is 1,20,000. So 1,20,000 GST. So I'll write here. It is how much? 1,20,000 rupees. So that's the value which they have given here. So I'll write the rupee symbol here. So 1,20,000. Now we can directly write the value what they have given. So what they have given is price including GST, right? Including GST. How much? It is 11,20,000. I'll write that in the inner column, 11,20,000. From this, what we have to deduct is minus GST. So which is IGST. How much? 1,20,000. 1,20,000. So the total will be difference what we are getting, that will be the price excluding GST. Okay, that is price excluding GST. Price excluding GST. So that's what we wanted actually, because so this is a value that goes into our transaction value calculation. That value I'll write it in the outer column. That will be 11,20,000 minus 1,20,000. That will be equal to 10 lakh. Okay, so directly we can write, because this is a simple calculation. To this value we have to add few items. So that we will do it now. So to this, whatever the price we are getting, price excluding GST. So to this value we have to add few items. So those items we have discussed previously. So that includes incidental charges, taxes, etc. So we will look into the question and decide what are the values we have to add. So add let's see what are the values we have to add. So first one, they have given following expenses are not included in this price 11,20,000. These are the expenses which are not included. Now we have to decide whether we have to include these expenses or not. Okay, first machinery erection charges. So machinery erection charges means machinery installation charges, right? Since installation charges are incidental expenses, so we have to add this value. So first what I'll do is I'll add machine erection charges 80,000. Okay, machine erection charges 80,000. Machine erection charges how much? 80,000. So that I'll write 80,000. Next, what they have given, let's see. It is pre-delivery inspection charges. Again, pre-delivery inspection charges is also incidental charges. Hence, we need to add pre-delivery inspection charges. Pre-delivery inspection charges, which is 10,000. So I'll write the amount 10,000. And then what they have given is primary and secondary packing charges. Again, incidental expense, so we have to add primary and secondary packing charges. And secondary packing charges, how much? It is 20,000. So I'll write the amount 20,000. Then what they have given is design and development charges. Again, incidental charges, so add it, design and development charges. Write design and developmental charges, which is how much? What's the value? It is 10,000. And after that we have one more value, so we will add that as well. So this have to go up. We will write that there. 10 lakh. Okay, so this comes here. Next value is we have brought out accessories not essential for its working. So accessories are really supply ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ along with the machinery. Here they have given it is not essential for its working ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಮೆಷಿನರಿಯನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸರೀಸ್ ಏನು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ these accessories are not offered in the regular course of business and hence they are not naturally bundled. If they are not naturally bundled, it cannot be a composite supply. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. We have worked out a problem previously where we have considered essential accessory as composite supply. But here what they have given is not essential accessories. So hence we cannot consider this as composite supply. So this will be a mixed supply. Even in case of mixed supply, we can add this value, the accessories value, to the price of the machinery, so as incidental charges. So hence we are adding this value, so which is 1 lakh. What is that? Accessories price. Okay, we will be writing that. So accessories cost of accessories is how much? 1 lakh. Cost of accessories is 1 lakh. So that I'll write here 1 lakh. And so I think these are the items that we supposed to add. So we have added this. And next, if you have a look at it, we have the cost of durable and returnable packing. So this is a returnable packing. Returnable packing ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Hence buyer is not supposed to pay for this cost. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. It is included in the price. Hence what we have to do is we have to exclude. That is by deducting. So ಇದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. Hence I have put it in red color. So remember this, we have to deduct this value. And then they have given freight of rupees 10,000 shown separately, which is included in the price. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ freight of 10,000 which is transportation charges included in the price. ಈ ಪ್ರೈಸಿನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಫ್ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಶೋನ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ಲಿ, ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಸರ್ತಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗೆ ಆಯಿತು, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಶೋನ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ಲಿ. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಶೋನ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ಲಿ ಎನಿ ಐಟಮ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್, so we have to deduct it. So even this, since it is included, we have to deduct this value as well. So then they have given machinery and a rate of GST, so that we consider at the end. And after that they have given this one, what 5% discount, so that we have to deduct. Then they have given one item inputs. On the inputs they have paid IGST. So this how we have to consider, we will see that later. So these are the items to be added. So we will add it up. It will be 80 plus 10 is 90, 110, 120. So total it will be 2,20,000. So I'll write 2,20,000. So that we supposed to add. So hence the final total what we will be getting is 12,20,000. So these are the value we supposed to add. The continuation of the solution will be in the next video. So until then, stay tuned. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel Avi's Academy by clicking subscribe button. And if you want to get continuous notification on the videos which I am going to upload in the future days, please press bell icon.